Welcome to the Hybrid Geek. In this video, we'll walk you through a full hybrid battery replacement for a 2009 to 2012 Lexus HS 250H. This process will guide you from interior disassembly to battery replacement and through final reassembly after the test drive. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove interior panels and seats. Start in the trunk by removing the floorboard to expose the spare tire area. Next, move to the rear seats. Remove the lower portion of the seat by firmly lifting it up and out. Once that's removed, go back to the trunk and take out the orange hybrid safety plug. Now, return to the rear seat area. Locate the 12mm bolts at the base of the seat backs and remove them. Once the bolts are out, you can lift the seat backs up and out. Don't forget to unclip the seatbelt straps. Use an automotive clip removal tool to open the plastic bracket and slide the belt through to fully release the seat backs. Step 2. Disassemble the trunk paneling. In the trunk, remove the back panel by taking out 3 to 4 rivets on each side. You'll also need to remove the top trunk panel, which contains a light. Pull the panel straight down. This will pull the light wiring harness with it. Find the clip connecting the harness and disconnect it. Once the top panel is out, you can now remove the side trunk paneling. With the rivets already removed, they should come off easily. At this stage, the trunk and rear seat areas should be fully disassembled, exposing both the hybrid battery and the 12-volt battery. Step 3. Remove the 12-volt battery. Begin by disconnecting the ground cable, followed by the positive terminal on the 12-volt battery. Then, remove the bolts securing the battery bracket and lift the battery out of place. Be mindful of the vent tube connected to the battery. Carefully detach it before fully removing the battery from the vehicle. This step gives you more room to access the hybrid battery. Step 4. Disconnect battery, venting, and cooling components. On the driver's side of the trunk, remove the rivet holding the bottom vent and carefully detach it. Then, remove the top vent fan assembly by taking out the 2 rivets holding it in place. Once those are out, lift the fan off the hybrid battery. Step 5. Disconnect high voltage and wiring. Now move to the passenger side and start disconnecting the wiring from the hybrid battery. Remove the black wire attached to the top. Take your orange safety plug and use it as a key to remove the tamper-proof orange plug on the top of the battery. Then, unscrew the 10mm nut holding the black wire in place. Next, remove the bolts holding the electronics shield in place to reveal the high-voltage cable connections underneath. Carefully remove the nuts from the high-voltage cables. Important: do not allow the 2 cable ends to touch anything. Tuck them away safely and out of the way. Step 6. Unbolt the hybrid battery. The hybrid battery is held to the vehicle with 8 10mm bolts, 4 in the trunk and 4 more in the back seat area. Use an extension to reach the bolts easily and remove them all. Step 7. Remove the hybrid battery. With everything disconnected and unbolted, you're ready to remove the hybrid battery. We've found it's easiest to remove the battery through the rear passenger area. Gently slide the battery forward toward the front seats, then guide it out through one of the passenger doors. Be extra careful not to scratch the interior or damage the seatbelt straps as you remove it. Step 8. Install the new hybrid battery. Bring your new hybrid battery in through the passenger side and carefully slide it into place toward the trunk. Reinstall the 10mm bolts securing it to the frame, both in the trunk and rear seat area. Reconnect the high-voltage cables, being careful not to over-tighten, then reinstall the electronics shield. Reconnect the black wire on top of the hybrid battery and reinsert the orange tamper plug using your safety key. Step 9. Reinstall the 12-volt battery. Place the 12-volt battery back in its compartment, with the terminals facing the hybrid battery side. Reattach the mounting bracket to hold the battery firmly in place and reconnect the vent tube. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Step 10. Final reassembly and test drive. Reinstall the cooling fans and vents, including the top and bottom vent assemblies, and secure them with their rivets. Insert the orange safety service plug back into the hybrid battery to restore high voltage power. You're now ready to test the vehicle. Start the car, reset any warning lights or codes, and perform a 5 to 8 minute test drive. Try to simulate normal driving conditions, including light acceleration and braking. If any lights come on during the drive, stop immediately and scan for diagnostic codes. If no codes return after the drive, your installation is successful. You can now begin reassembling the interior panels, trunk, and back seats. Reinstall the rear seats, panels, and trim exactly as they were found. Ensure all clips, bolts, and fasteners are tightened properly. Double-check that the orange safety plug is fully seated. Great job! Your installation is complete. As a reminder, we're not just here to replace batteries. We're here to deliver a professional 5-star experience. Always show up looking sharp, speak clearly with the customer, and leave their vehicle better than you found it. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Hybrid Geek Installer team. For more install guides and training videos, subscribe to the Hybrid Geek. Stay safe and keep those hybrids running strong.